Well, hello and welcome. Today I came up with new idea. So I kept a text between this quotation mark, and I want this be animated. That whatever I write here should be animated. So here, what is draw name actually? The draw name is function defined in the bubble.js. So what will help us to animate our return text between quotation mark? The code bounce bubbles will help us to get our code screen with the return text Anish Mandal to be bubble. Okay, let's us see the demo. Isn't it cool, guys? So thank you for being here. Hope you like this. Please mention us the feedback.